today we are here with the award-winning MC Barber.
Hey everyone, this is MC Barber. Here we have another video where we're gonna do a fade with a long top. The kid wants to keep his top long, so we're only gonna do a fade and just style the top kind of messy and free. As usually, we just remove the bulk with 1.5. Well, actually, the first step, as you saw, was sectioning the hair. That's very important that you properly section the hair and create that style that you want to create, and then you just remove the excess hair. That way you kind of have a visual of what you are trying to create. And then depends on what type of fade are you doing. If you are, for example, doing fades that go from zero, down to zero, I like to start with 1.5, remove the bulk and create a foundation for my fade, and then start my fade for whatever it might be, whether it's triple zeros, 5 zeros, outliner, skin, or 1, it doesn't really matter. But that 1.5, as you can see now, basically creates my shape for the hairstyle, as well it creates the foundation for the fade. I do use heavy duty clippers a lot. In my system, MC Barber system, really heavy duty clippers are part of my system. Quick removal of the bulk, as you can see, and then you can use the fading clippers or adjustable clippers, which means the clippers that have a lever on the side that you can adjust from 0 to half. Obviously, this fade, we're going to start with the edges. My edges are 0 gap, so we're going to start with that, and we're going to start fading. Shout out to all my fans from around the world. Just to name a few countries: the Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, former Yugoslavia, Bosnia, Serbia, Montenegro. I am actually from Montenegro myself, and I see that barbering is really growing all around the world. I see some great fades from every corner of the world, and in the last few years you see it more and more. The fade is becoming very popular around the world. I'm going to be competing in Paris, France in the fade cut in September. This is the first time they're going to have a fade cut, so that's pretty cool. I am going to need a model in Paris, France in September, which is September 8th, I believe. Yes, it's on Sunday, or it's Saturday or Sunday. But anyway, the event is September 8th, 9th, and 10th. So if you are in Paris and you are willing to be my model, please contact me at mctbarber@gmail.com. Or if you are from surrounding countries and you are planning to be in that event, and you have a really nice hair, the hair has to be dark, the top has to be as long as this kid has on the top, and the sides have to be 3 centimeters, and the hair has to be black, or at least dark brown. We are going to color it to black, and then we're going to do a fade and a style. So if you are in Paris, France, or you are willing to travel to Paris, France, if you are in the United States, please contact me at MCT Barber, and if you are a good model, we'll bring you with us. We'll pay for your hotel and your flight. Besides that, I am in Wethersfield, Connecticut. I know that a lot of students watch my videos. From my observation, and I've seen that my videos are mostly watched by schools around the United States. And if you are willing to advance your education and do some one-on-one classes, also you can contact me at mctbarber@gmail.com. or through my website mcbarber.com. There is a box for messaging there, so you can do that as well. Besides that, I have July 2nd, I have workshop, 8 hours workshop, hands-on class. In that workshop, we'll be doing 2 hours of scissor work, 2 hours of clipper work, 2 hours of razor work, and 2 hours of styling, blow drying and styling. So I only take 6 students, 6 to 8 students, and you know, that's coming up July 2nd, which is Monday. So here I'm still working on my fade. Fading can be done in a different ways, really. You can fade from bottom up or top down. Depends what you like. If you like to keep your fade low, probably the easier way is to fade from top down, then from bottom up. I get a lot of questions what type of clippers I use. The clippers I use, the first one is Octane, Oster Octane. It's a really nice clipper. The clipper I'm using now, it's a cordless clipper by Wahl. It's a magic clip. This is what I use for fading. I actually like that clipper. I was waiting for seniors, but the seniors are having some type of issue. So I'm not sure when actually they're going to have the issue with the cordless seniors resolved, and you know, out there available for whole public. A lot of people that bought them had an issue with them. They literally, there is some type of spring inside that snaps. Usually they don't even last a couple of haircuts. And on top of that, they really overpriced them. They went from $70 to $80 clipper to $130 clipper. I mean, they're just going crazy with these clippers, you know. They just all of a sudden, you know, just raising prices like crazy. I mean, the edger, what is the Andis T outliner? I mean, they were selling them up to $200, which is totally insane. I'm talking about a cordless one. Now I'm gonna I just clean up his hairline. I usually don't like to push the hairline. I just like to clean it up. I know some people are very particular about it. They like to make sure it's crisp, and you know, they push into a hairline, and I just try to make it nice and clean. Limit the, you know, the maintenance, basically. You know, just make it nice and clean, looks nice, but as it starts growing, it doesn't really look like shaggy or dirty. You know, I mean, it doesn't have to work on maintaining it, if that makes any sense. Yeah, so this year I'm actually on United States team. We have team. Shout out to my teammates. One is in Chicago and 2 are in Atlanta, Georgia. We will be competing in France as a team in progressive and fashion styles. So that's going to be interesting, and that's going to be something to look forward to. It's amazing for me, really. I have come quite a long way. I mean, if you guys seen my you know, biography, from Montenegro, village, orphan in the United States, homeless, to literally winning the biggest competition in America 2 years in a row, and winning in 2016 every category, meaning speed, fade, traditional, most professional, and most sanitary. I actually don't think that anyone ever actually won. It's not that I don't think, I actually know that no one has ever won 2 first places in Connecticut Barber Expo besides myself. So that's really big success for me, and now being on the US team. So what I'm trying to say is, like, honestly, you know, what stops you from success is really just the hard work. You know, actually, what stops you from success is laziness. So if you want to be successful, honestly, hard work will bring you anywhere you want. So passion and hard work, and honestly, you will get there. So don't ever look at yourself as someone that don't think, oh, I can't do it. you can definitely do it if you want to do it. So just put your, put trust in yourself and hard work, and you'll get whatever you want. Here I am taking a lot of hair out, but I'm not actually taking the length out. I am actually just, this kid has very thick hair. So usually when you have a straight hair and it's very thick, it falls flat. So if you want to keep that style, uh, you need to put some texture inside the hair. That way the hair, the style stays. So I really didn't remove much of his length. I pretty much kept the length, but I just created a lot of texture inside the hair so it gives support for the style. So long hair, short hair gives support to long hair, and he holds the style for a lot longer than otherwise it would, and you don't need as much product. I would like to give shout out to Pivot Point for helping me out with the mannequins for the world competition. They have really good mannequins. They have mannequins for competition as well for practicing, and they are really quite a good company. They also have a really top of the line tripods. If you need a tripod, I think that's the company to get a tripod. Honestly, I've been getting tripods from different companies. Getting a tripod for 30, 50, 100 bucks, you think you are saving money or you are getting a good deal, but honestly, they don't last. That's a problem with them. And the best tripod to get right now is the tripod from Pivot Point. It's slightly over 200 bucks, but it's really a heavy duty tripod. I use it every day, and it really is durable, So buy once, not twice. I actually don't work for the company, so I really have no big interest in promoting them except to help you out. I bought it myself, so I will only recommend for you what I get for myself. As for the mannequins, I appreciate the fact they have helped me with some of the mannequins. Also, shout out to Shark Fin. That's another company that actually helped us out, the American team. They are one of our sponsors with the scissors. They have really, really good scissors, actually. That's what I use. And they are quite cheaper than these brands like Hikari or Mizutani. Or you get a lot more for your money, basically. And you are getting top of the line scissors as well. You know what you are getting. You can trust them because I personally know the owner, Randy, from Shark Fin. Randy is as honest as it gets. He's a stand-up guy. You buy his scissors, I'm sure you can get directly in contact with him if you are not satisfied, and he'll back up what he has sold to you. So Randy is the man. We are getting here towards the end of the haircut, guys. Thanks for watching. I know this is another fade, like I've done so many, but soon I'm actually coming with a whole new line of hairstyles, fashion, which is really exciting, and I think those will be coming after my competition. Seriously nice stuff. I'm just too excited about the new hairstyles I'm going to be coming with. I think a more spiky type of looks with the long hair and color is coming back in style, and you will see as we get closer towards the end of the year. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. mcbarber.com is my website. If you like my work, please put a thumbs up, hit the like button, and until next time, take care of yourself.